Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 2638 West 4th Street in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom duplex home is located in the heart of historic Newbury. And y'all, this thing is going to blow your hair back. So I'm going to take you through from very bottom to very top, and I'm going to make sure you see everything this beautiful place has to offer. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are starting the tour outside today, so you can take a look at the surrounding area as well as the front of the house. So we're going to come right up here. As you can see, even though it's a duplex, the porches are separate. So you have plenty of room to spread out however you would like to. Now we're going to come right inside into the heart of the home. And it is quite a heart. Look how warm and inviting this space is. You have room for a designated dining room. You have room for a comfortable setup for your living room. And the lighting, the natural lighting, the recessed lighting, this really cute, modern, but not overwhelming light fixture for your dining room table. I mean, come on. You also have a little closet here, and you can see it's kind of like a little different for hang bars, but it definitely maximizes the space that you can use in a very small area, by the way. Now we're going to come into the kitchen. Guys, I mean, come on. Gold hardware, hunter green, wood accents, white. I mean, and then the appliances tie it all together. This is an incredible kitchen. I love the little island because it has extra storage. You also have all of these cabinets over here. I love this flat cooktop too, with all of the mechanics here in the front. It just gives it such a sleek and modern design. This room also gives you the ability, if you'd like to put a little bistro set over here, you certainly have the space to be able to do that. Now, before we go anywhere else down or up, you have this little back mudroom. I love this. Kick your shoes off, hang a coat up, because you can see there's a shared backyard here. So you get half the yard. So your half is over here. You get a little concrete space there if you want to put a grill or something. And right back where that One Focus car is, there's an additional parking spot. So you do have 2 off-street parking spaces for yourself as well, which is fantastic. Now let's come back inside. I'm going to take you down to the basement. Your washer and dryer connections are down here. Now, this is not a finished space, and if you're tall, you're probably going to have to lean down a little bit because it is pretty low clearance here with the heating duct runs. But you have your washer and dryer connections right over here tucked away in the corner. And then not for nothing, you have some really usable space down here if you'd like to store things. Now, Williamsport is notoriously wet. We're not talking flooding, but basements do tend to get damp, and you can see where there's been dampness. So my recommendation would be to elevate anything up off of the floor just to be safe if you are using this for storage. Now, let's keep going because there's certainly more to see. We're going to circle back through. Oh, instantly I feel warm when I walk through this space. I love it. I'm going to come up the steps. We're going to check out this gorgeous little bathroom. Full bathroom, but full treatment as well. I mean, come on. The vanity, the blue, it's so cute. You got room back here if you'd like to do a little over the toilet rack as well. First bedroom, this is the smallest. I would say probably a full-size bed for sure. And then you have mirrored closet doors, so every day you can check your vibe. And then a hang bar and a shelf. The middle bedroom, probably pretty equal to this first bedroom. I would say full-size bed. Again with the mirrors. And then you've got a hang bar and a shelf. Down to the front here. This would probably be well suited for a queen size bed, but a king could potentially fit. Also, can we talk about outlet situation? You can plug everything in here. Like literally everything. There are so many outlets. And then you have your closet here with a hang bar and a shelf. And one last space that I would love to show off, strictly for storage, but this attic, I'd skip the basement and come straight to the attic. Lots of space. Also, installed hang bars. So if you had clothes and garment bags, you can hang them right up there seasonally. And maybe not everybody thinks about that, but you know, if you need a lot of storage, you definitely have it up here. Oh, I'm sorry. I almost forgot to get back to you because I was hanging out in that amazing kitchen. So I'm sure you're ready to call this home. What you need to do is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You'll be able to see our listing with all the information about the property. It'll give you a chance to book your tour, and you can even start working on submitting that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, because we all have questions, feel free to give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because no matter what you do, I am going to be ready to help you make this home.